Welcome back to a new video and a new workflow. I originally made this workflow a long time ago, but I have revamped it to better suit newer models. What this workflow does is to load a set amount of random images from a preset folder. It then combines the images into a grid and take the combined concept of the images in that grid and create a new image from it. I've decided to load images from this folder, which has 39 images in it currently. There's no upper limit in how many images the folder can contain though. Set the path to the folder you want to load images from, as well as how many images you want to load. You can load between 1 and 100 images to the grid, but I suggest to keep it between 1 to 20 images. In the random number node, put how many images the folder contains in total. The system will now pick 6 random images from the set folder, which contains a total of 39 images. We got 3 separate Gemini API nodes in a pipeline, which together will treat the grid as a single image, and 1. Extract keywords from that grid image. 2. Summarize the keywords. 3. Write a new prompt from that summary. The system will not look at the grid and treat it as a grid that contains several images, but will instead extract the concept, or essence if you will, from the collected images, and use that as a prompt for creating a single image. In this workflow, I've chosen to use the Z Image Turbo model, but it should work with any model which uses a clip model that accepts natural language. You will also need a Google API key, either free or paid. The free key is limited to 20 API calls per day, but if you get a paid key and use it with the Gemini 2.0 models, it's really cheap. This is my bill for using a paid API key for December 2025. I paid about $5 for a whole month use, and to me, it's worth it. But you can of course use the limited free API key if you prefer. Just remember that running this workflow once requires 3 API calls to be made. Let's run the workflow and see what happens. Here we can see the 6 images that was loaded. And here is also where I noticed that I'm out of free API calls for today, so I'll have to switch to my paid key. And here are 6 new images that are loaded, as well as the final output prompt. And finally, here is the result. We have successfully extracted the essence from 6 random images and created a whole new image. The new image doesn't look like any one of the input images, but it has kept the style, coloring, mood, and the concept and essence of all the input images. I hope this workflow will help spark your creativity. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, or have any suggestions on videos you would like to see, like this video and subscribe to the channel.